What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and this is Overshoot, where I cover tutorials, tips, and new features inside of Flux. Today I'm showing you how to use expressions to automatically calculate values, making the development process easier and faster. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start a new project. I'm going to build a simple LED circuit. So I need to pull in a DC source, a generic resistor, and a generic LED from the library. Let's look at the voltage source and the current on the LED. Let's assume this LED has a forward current of 20 milliamps. So right now there is far too much current flowing. We need to increase the value of this resistor, but instead of figuring out mathematically, I'm going to use an expression to set this value for me. There's an expression that will calculate the resistance we need to limit the current for this LED. In the resistance field, we can start the expression by entering the equals symbol. Let's type in LED ballast, open parentheses, 0.02, and then we need the voltage drop for this resistor, but we don't need to figure that out either. I can simply subtract the forward voltage of the LED, which is 1.7, from the source voltage of 12. There we go, it calculated a value of 515 ohms. Notice the current through the LED is now about 20 milliamps, which is what we want. Okay, let's go over to the PCB section. We can also use expressions in the layout rules. For example, I can offset the X position by placing an equal symbol at the beginning and adding 25 mils. I can also add the project name to the board by creating text and adding a content property. You can already see the various expressions you can use here. I'm just going to type in equals project.name, and there we go. Alright, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it was, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. If you haven't already, sign up at flux.ai to get started on your own project. If you'd like me to design a PCB for you, tell me in the comments and I'll reach out. See you guys in the next one.